Guys, when it comes down to cooking and preparing for your family or just yourself, one thing you absolutely love to do is have a meal that would be done in a flash. Okay, so with all the videos that I will be uploaded on cooking, special meals, dinner meals, lunch meals, these are absolutely fun things that you can do, very healthy, and will be done in 30 minutes or less. So guys, this one is a little bit longer because it is raw meat, but nevertheless, because of how long it takes to prep this and then shift it in the oven, it takes absolutely no time because you'll be doing other things, getting your kids ready for bed, just cleaning your kitchen down, talking to the hubby, looking at the kids playing outside, or sitting down and just watching YouTube. But guys, with this, this is meatloaf balls. Yes, I did say meatloaf balls, but you want to see how I made them, just go ahead and stay tuned. Hello guys, so welcome back to the VeeHive. So guys, today is Monday? I think today is Monday. My son asked me, he said, Mom, I want meatloaf. Well, we don't eat ground beef. We do only eat ground turkey, ground chicken, and ground sausage. So he was like, I want meatloaf. So I decided that I am going to do meatloaf. I am going to do a quick dinner for you guys again. And with this one, guys, it's going to be meatloaf balls. I am going to do some white rice and some grilled green beans. But first, I got to run to the store. So let's go run and go get some ground turkey and some green beans. Okay guys, we are back. So I just ran to Publix because they have a sale, and why not deal with the sale? Thank you, Light. So let's go ahead and start preparing. So guys, you know when you go to the store and you have certain things on your mind, what you need, and you get home and you discover, I didn't get everything. Guys, I forgot breadcrumbs. So hopefully I have some in the car. When I tell y'all, God is a good God, He's a great God. So let me show you what I got this week at Kroger. You know they send your sale flyers, and you know your girl, I'm going to look at it because I always want to do say what? Coins. So we do a lot of ground turkey. So the ground turkey, the 90% lean, 7% fat, is $3.15 this week. They buy one, get one free. So of course I did get two. And also, yeah, I'm rattling bags. Also guys, I got some string beans. So I'm gonna cook some string beans, and I have this big thing of rice from Sam's sale. So I will be cooking some rice. So let's go ahead. So guys, let's go ahead and get prepared and get everything together. I am going to braise and pre-cook the ground turkey on top of the stove. Then I'm going to shift it in the oven so it can finish cooking. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. So these are the items that you need to make this. So of course you're gonna need some breadcrumbs, a bowl. I have 2 packs of ground turkey, some cherry coke by Kinders, some hickory brown sugar by Kinders, some buttery steakhouse by Kinders, and I have some powdered onions, and we have our old Walmart ketchup. So I had one of my little small measure cups. Y'all, this one had it. Look at her. Anyway, I'm gonna do 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Do my seasonings. This one is brand new, so I gotta open it. And now for the biggie is ketchup. And yes, I do shake my ketchup. Okay guys, so this is my mixture. So what I want to do next, okay, let's go ahead and start her out. And guys, if you don't know, this is my favorite oil. This is the only oil that I do purchase. So now it is time for the gooey part of it all. So I love this spoon. I did get it from Temu. I love it because of the cup. I can just put it instead of me getting it all through my fingernails. I'm glad I look at my hand because I need to release my ring to do this. So I'm going to take about 1.5 scoops because I do want them somewhat big. I got the other ring on my other hand. So once again, we want a whole scoop and then about 1/2. Just make you a good ball. With that, I'm gonna do a little bit more in it. So guys, this is my all Clyde dish. I'm going to use this to put them, line them in there for them to cook in the stove. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn this down on low. So you don't want to fully cook it. So you can go ahead and start taking them out. I'm gonna just wait for the baby to finish cooking and we'll go to the next step. Okay, now, so the only thing I'm gonna do, I do want to put a little bit more that and this seasoning. Remember guys, they're just slightly braised, so they're not cooked at all. The next thing I want to do is add ketchup, and now they're ready for the oven. Okay guys, so because that's going to take about a good 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes in the oven, it depends on how your oven cooks. You know, different brand names cook different. I'll just Frigidaire, so I set it on 350, so I'm guesstimating about 45 minutes to an hour and 15. Dinner is totally done, and I didn't do the rice. If y'all want to see how I prepare rice the easiest way and the best way, just let me know. And also the beans, just let me know, and I will make a video for that. But today guys, it is all about these meatloaf balls. When I say, look at that, just look at that. So guys, you know we gotta do our taste test. So I'm gonna do it with a little bit of rice. Oh wow, that's good. This is super good. And it's just melting in my mouth. Absolutely so good. So good. Oh. Yeah, this is so absolutely good. So, this is a very easy way to make a quick meal. With this, you can make your meatballs. With this, guys, you can make your meatloaf balls, shift them in the oven, go give your kids a bath, talk to the husband because he just came in the door from work, while you're doing all that, they're cooking. And after that, guys, just do your rice, your beans, and serve. Just that easy. So you can do all of this. Prep time was about 15 minutes. Well, I don't even say prep time, putting everything together, about 5 to 7 minutes. Very, very, very easy. After that, guys, just put them in how I did mine. A lot of other people wouldn't do it that way, but I like that caramelized braised type taste in it. It tastes so good. And how I did it, when I say melt it in your mouth, goodness, look at there. Look at there. Y'all. When I say melt in your mouth, that's exactly what I mean. And these are what the beans look like. So the beans, so good. If you want to know how to make the best rice, let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in how I make green beans, fresh green beans like this, let me know. This is a well-balanced, definitely very easy, nothing hard about it, meal for a family. So guys, I'm getting ready to go ahead and finish eating this. So here it is. Yummy, yummy to the tummy. Because I'm going to have to go over there and get me another one. This is so good. So, y'all, I'm going to end this. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And I will see y'all in the next one. And if you have something you want me to cook, just let me know. And yes, the next thing we would be doing is a cake. And I can't wait to tell you what kind of cake, because I have already researched it. There's not one on YouTube. So, bon appetit, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.